on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Carson's Aquatics. First things first, I want to say thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. I appreciate every single one of you. If you're new here, welcome to the chan. My name's Carson. I like fish. But on to the point of this video. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that when I hit 100 subscribers, I made the cardboard play button. When I hit 500, I picked up 500 pieces of trash. And as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be making the 1,000 subscriber play button out of duct tape. I went to Walmart looking for materials to make the play button, and I saw the duct tape and I said, that's it. So I got silver and blue. You know, blue's kind of my channel theme, and silver I thought would look cool. I don't really have anything planned. We're just gonna kind of go for it and see what happens. So here we go. All right guys, so we don't really have much to work with. We have the duct tape, cardboard, scotch tape, a pen, and scissors. That's pretty much it as far as materials go. First thing I'm gonna do is cut out this little rectangle just to make it look cleaner. All right guys, so I just got a really good idea. The cardboard I'm using is powder blue on the back, and I think it would look sick if I had the triangle in the play button be this light blue, then have like the outer rectangle be this dark blue. But I also want to add silver in there somewhere. I'll figure that out along the way, but I think I'm gonna go this route. So I cut out this rectangle. This is gonna be like the frame, if you will. I'm not gonna buy an actual frame for this like I did for my 100 subscriber one, even though I didn't buy that, it was just in my basement. Anyway, I cut out this rectangle. This is gonna be like the back platform. This is gonna be the actual play button. So what I'm gonna do now is draw and cut out some rounded edges. As you can see, I just cut the rounded edges. The next thing I'm gonna do is draw and cut the triangle that's going to be the actual play button. Alright guys, it took a couple tries, but I finally cut out a triangle that I'm satisfied with. Just to kind of get an idea. So the next thing I'm going to do is trace this triangle and then cut that out of this piece of cardboard. Alright guys, as you can see, the triangle is cut out. It fits just about perfectly in there. So now I'm going to start taping this. Alright guys, as you can see, it is all duct taped up. And now I'm going to cut the triangle out of the duct tape. Guys, as you can see there, the triangle is cut out. This already looks really freaking cool. Alright guys, so what I want to do is going to be extremely hard, but if I can pull through with it, it's going to look insane. So what I want to do is have, obviously like I said, that light blue triangle in there, but then along these edges I want to have the silver duct tape. I think that would look amazing. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to trace this triangle on this little piece of cardboard, and then from that I'm going to trace a slightly bigger triangle. I'm going to wrap that whole triangle in the silver duct tape, and then I'll cut out the middle of it so it just has a silver border. And then I'll put this in there, and I'll put the silver border on the outside of that. Hopefully some of you kind of understand that. If not, it doesn't matter. I'm going to do it now. Guys, I finished what I was doing, but I don't really like how that looks. I think what I'm actually going to end up doing is make another completely silver triangle and just put it right in the middle. I think that would just look way better. taped up, and in my opinion, that looks a lot better. So I'm going to attach the triangle to the rest of the play button. I changed my mind again. I want this to be smaller. And there is the finished product. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. And now tomorrow, I'm going to head over to the library and print out the text that is gonna go right here. The library is closed right now. It's like 10 o'clock at night. But yeah, I'll see you then. All right guys, I just finished putting together the background for the play button. I think it looks pretty official. So now I'm gonna head over to the library and print this bad boy out. All right guys, as you can see here, I just printed out the background, and it's not exactly as dark as I wanted it, but it'll do. So now I'm going to cut off the white border and then attach it to the cardboard. Alright guys, the paper is taped down to the cardboard, and as you can see, it doesn't fit perfectly perfect. But that won't matter because around this border, I'm going to have silver duct tape. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And as you can see, the border is all taped up. Clearly it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. So now the last thing to do is attach the actual play button to the rest of it. There it is. The duct tape play button is now complete. I think it's only fitting if I leave the play button right by the aquarium. So. And that is going to do it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Saw the duct tape and I was like